When you pass away, will your family be able to find all the important paperwork that they need? And will they be able to find it quickly? I know many times when I cleaned out estates, the family was like, okay, we can't find the car title. We can't find the will. We can't find anything about financial information as far as if they had a financial planner. Don't do that to your family. Put this stuff together and do it in such a way that they can find your important paperwork and they can deal with everything that needs to be dealt with. So there's several options for that. First off, I'm going to cover the Knox box, which someone asked me to review. This is a product that is very well thought out. It's very nicely done. The company appears to really have put a lot of work into their product. It's great if you have no kind of filing system at all, or if you don't even have a lockbox or anything, because it itself is a filing system for all of this important information. Now, it is a little pricey. Their stuff starts at $99 and up, so that's not necessarily an option for everyone, but go on and look at them, and like I said, it's very well thought out. Second option, if you go onto my Amazon shop, I have the book Peace of Mind Planner, which is not one of my books, it's just one that I have found and that I've recommended to people. It is one of those books that you just go through and you fill out. You make all your notes about who is your insurance agent, who is your financial planner, where is this particular document at, who to call when I pass away, just everything and anything that has to do with your estate. It's around $12 on Amazon. As I said, you can get it on my Amazon shop. That's a very nice option, and I've recommended that to people for several years. The only issue with that is that, you should review this stuff every year, and, if things change, you have to white it out, and after a while it kind of gets messed up. I'll tell you what I use, and this is something that I put together a few years ago for my clients, because when I started someone downsizing, this was kind of a small gift that I gave them. So, it's a PDF. It's available on my Stand store. It gives you the front cover and then the pages. I actually put it in a notebook. It is just a guide for my executor so that they don't forget things. So it's just basically pages, and it has all of the necessary information that you want to, put in here. Usually what I do with mine, I put a clear page protector in it, and I know I have a couple poems and things that I have found over the years that would be nice for a service and things like that. So you can put other information in there as well. But this is on my Stand store. It's $4.99. So, and it's a PDF you can print out. Now, I just printed out a new one because my pages are quite a few years old, and I've whited them out and scratched things off, and I decided it was just kind of time to freshen it up and do a new one. So I'm going to be working on that here in the next week or two. As far as where to keep your paperwork, again, go on my Amazon shop. There's a lockbox on there. You can buy a lockbox. Keep your will, your power of attorney, all of that stuff in a lockbox. It's a fireproof box, and that's a great way for your family to be able to find, where all your paperwork is. And if you don't want to spend that kind of money, I think it's like around $39. Go to like the office supply store and just get an expanding file. You can put labels on here, and you can keep all your important information in here and just keep it somewhere where everybody can find it. I mean, I know years ago when my father-in-law at the time had passed away suddenly, my mother-in-law looked all over his desk and everything for his will, couldn't find anything. He had stuck it in the bottom of his dresser drawer behind a bunch of stuff. She didn't find it for a whole year, and by then she'd already gone to court to do all the necessary things with an attorney to be named in charge of the estate. So don't do that to your family. Make a notebook, even if it's just something simple like this, where they can find your information. I put in here different notes like where this is, where that is, so that they can find things. Or you can put, like I said, clear page protectors in there and just kind of like slip things in there. It doesn't have to be fancy. It just has to be something that they can find, that they're not going to have to look all over the place for everything. So make it easy on whoever's going to go after you and has to take care of your estate.